The installation process is now underway. Here we've used a laser level and chalk lines to determine the starting point. The panel sizes and joint widths are marked on the wall to determine the position for the channels. Spirit level is used on the datum lines to determine the points where the channel is to be fixed. The channel is installed by drilling pilot holes through its extrusion points. These 6.5mm pilot holes are blown clean. The channel is then secured to the substrate with the StoneClip screw bolts by using an impact driver. The top point of the panel is calculated, and in this case the channel that will be used to tie off this panel is positioned just below that point. Intermediate pieces of the channel that will be used to offer additional support are also installed in a similar manner. At this point, everything is double checked with a laser and a spirit level.